For question 5 in Unit 5, there are two good approaches. Let's take a look first at the one suggested in the hint. We have a construction loan of $175,000. The annual interest rate is 18%. So, at the end of 1 year, the amount owed will be the original amount plus 18% interest, for a total of $206,500. The hint suggests that we break up this year into 6-month periods. Let's take the original amount of the loan again and look at the amount owed after 1 6-month period and 2 6-month periods. Here's the amount we owe 6 months after the loan. Here's the amount we owe 2 6-month periods, that's 1 year after we take the loan. This amount we've already calculated. It should be $206,500. To calculate these two directly, though, we'll need to know the amount of interest for each 6-month period. Let's guess and then goal seek it. If the interest rate is 18% a year, a good guess is that it's about 9% every 6 months. Let's guess 9%, and then we'll goal seek it to the correct value. Notice that by putting in some extra decimal points of precision here, I won't have to reformat later. If the actual interest per 6-month period was 9%, then at the end of 1 6-month period we'd owe this amount plus an additional 9% of it. I'll use absolute addressing so that I can drag down to the next cell without changing the 9%. At this rate, at the end of 1 year, we'd owe $207,000, $917.50. But that's too much. We know that the correct amount at the end of the year is $206,500. So our guess of 9%, although close, was too high. Let's correct it using goal seek. We'd like this final amount to be $206,500. We'll allow Excel to get that for us by changing the 6-month rate. It's not 9%, a little bit less, 8.63%. But for us, the important thing is that the amount of money owed at the end of 6 months, after all that was the question, is $190,098.66.